That was easy as shit. Just like that. A lot easier than I was thinking. Woo-hoo. So I had this bag of fruit snacks, right? Puma decided he wanted more of me, took him off the table, and we're trying to chase him to get him back, and he flung him around. Now he's just over here eating them one by one off the ground. Wanted more than me. So happy.
Probably because I gotta fucking deal with your dumbass all the time.
Good. Boom, boom.
Progress, baby.
Hell yeah. Woo-hoo. Look at that. All blowing. Just need to figure out why these lights ain't working. They're blowing though. Hell yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Woo!
Delicious.
Looking trash. Ugh. Gross.
Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah. Love it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. See that? Woo! I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just an installer over here. Now I'm a tuner, I guess.